The DJI Mini 5 Pro has finally arrived, and it's rewriting the rules of what a compact drone can really do. Lighter, smarter, and more powerful than ever, this tiny machine brings professional-grade features straight into the palm of your hand. But here's the real question. Does it truly outshine the Mini 4 Pro, or is it just a small step forward? We're talking next-generation camera upgrades, longer flight times, and smarter obstacle avoidance. From cinematic aerial shots to buttery smooth movements, DJI is aiming to give creators everything they need in one compact package. And with brand new intelligent shooting modes, this drone could completely change the way you capture the world. In this review, we'll break down the design, performance, and features that make the Mini 5 Pro stand out. And of course, we'll put it to the test to see if it really lives up to the hype. Whether you're a filmmaker, traveler, or drone enthusiast, this is one review you don't want to miss. Flight performance and stability rumors suggest the Mini 5 Pro will deliver a maximum flight time of 35 to 38 minutes, thanks to a more efficient battery system and smarter power management. With enhanced GPS connectivity, more responsive controls, and improved stability in windy conditions, this drone seems designed to perform beautifully, whether you're capturing vast landscapes or navigating tight urban spaces. Release date and price expectations based on DJI's release cycle. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch in late 2025, with speculation pointing to a September or October unveiling. As for price, insiders suggest anywhere between $899 and $1,099, depending on bundled packages with extra batteries and accessories. While slightly pricier than the Mini 4 Pro, the upgrades in camera quality, flight stability, and obstacle avoidance could make it a smart investment for both hobbyists and professionals. Smart features and connectivity. Mini 5 Pro is rumored to introduce upgraded smart flight modes, like advanced subject tracking, waypoint missions, and a more powerful active track system. With a stronger OcuSync transmission, expect smoother 4K live feeds at longer ranges with less latency. Add in AI-driven cinematic modes, app integration, and cloud storage options. And it's clear DJI is building a drone for modern creators. Design and portability true to the Mini series. The Mini 5 Pro will remain under 250 grams, keeping it lightweight and exempt from many drone regulations worldwide. Leaks point to a sleeker aerodynamic design, quieter propellers, and a more durable yet portable frame, perfect for travelers who want power without the bulk. Obstacle. Avoidance and safety. One of the biggest rumored upgrades is omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, a huge leap from the Mini 4 Pro system. Combined with enhanced safety features like advanced return to home and APAS, this drone could offer safer flights for both beginners and pros. Camera and imaging system. Perhaps the most exciting part, the Mini 5 Pro could feature a 1-inch sensor capable of shooting up to 5.4K video. That means better low-light performance, richer dynamic range, sharper details, and stunning HDR footage. Rumors even hint at a possible telephoto option, bringing professional-level imaging into an ultra-compact form. Final thoughts, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact drones on the horizon. With improved flight performance, smarter obstacle avoidance, and a powerhouse camera system, it could set a brand new standard for sub-250G drones. If these leaks are true, the Mini 5 Pro won't just build on the success of its predecessors, it'll completely redefine what a mini drone can do. Thanks for watching GadgetVerse. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to GadgetVerse for more in-depth tech reviews and drone updates. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and capture your world with style.